Hi, today we have an effective 10-minute routine that we will go through together, step by step. We'll target every area, from your neck and jaw to your eyes and forehead. Why is this workout so great? It combines gentle exercises with deep self-massage. It's the most natural way to lift your face while getting rid of a double chin, sagging jowls, puffiness, and deep nasolabial folds. You'll feel your face lift and tone up and see your skin start to glow from within after just one session. Get comfortable, sit up straight, and let's begin. Stretch your lips forward into a tube shape, then tuck them inward over your teeth and return to the starting position. Keep alternating these two movements. As you do this, sit upright and reach upward with the crown of your head, keeping your spine beautifully long. Your posture directly affects your facial muscles. Ensure there is absolutely no clicking in your jaw joint. Now, gently open and close your mouth. You don't need to open it all the way. About 80% is more than enough. If you feel any clicking or discomfort in the jaw joint, please don't push through it. Let your mouth open only slightly, keeping the movement entirely click-free, smooth and comfortable. If you notice your jaw moving unevenly, you can lightly support the sides of your face with your hands to guide it. This is completely normal, just guide the movement gently without holding the jaw too tightly. Place your hands flat at the base of your neck and gently pull the skin downward, just a tiny bit, only a couple of millimeters. Now, lift your chin slightly until you feel a gentle, lengthening stretch along the front of your neck. From here, begin making slow, controlled head turns from side to side. Keep your movements slow and smooth. Avoid tilting your head too far back to protect your cervical spine, and make sure you aren't creating tension in the back of your neck. Let's work on the inside. Use the tip of your tongue to draw zigzags inside your cheek. Start with vertical lines, moving from the corner of your mouth inward and back, and then switch to horizontal lines. To help stabilize, place your hand on the outside of your cheek to support the skin. Keep your jaw as still as possible, keeping your mouth slightly open. If your jaw starts to move with your tongue, simply reduce the size of your zigzags. If you find my videos helpful and would like to support the channel, you can easily become a sponsor. It's a wonderful way to say thank you and help me create even more high-quality content for your beauty journey. The link to support is right below this video. I would be incredibly grateful for your support. To finish this sequence, gently tap and pat the area under your chin with the backs of your fingers. This quick vibration helps instantly release any tension we just built up in the floor of the mouth. Now press your lips against your teeth with your hands and make a rinsing motion, directing the air into the lower part of the face. Do it at your own pace. If you cannot do it quickly, it is completely fine to do it slowly. Try to keep air from getting between the lips and teeth. It should remain only in the cheeks. Now use your thumb and index fingers to pinch the corners of your lips. You want to capture a relatively thick fold. You should feel dense muscle tissue right under your fingers. Completely relax your lower lip and your chin. Begin kneading the corners of your mouth with your fingers, working gently but firmly, as if you are softening modeling clay. Once the corners feel warm and relaxed, use those same kneading, rubbing movements to massage across your entire lips. Next, we're going to create a similar smiling action, but this time with the lips tucked behind the teeth and held firmly in place. Imagine your lips are completely locked inward and unable to move at all. Before you begin, check your jaw. It should remain in a comfortable, neutral position without shifting forward or backward. From this neutral base, try to smile without letting the corners of your mouth stretch too far outward. Don't force it. If you don't see a lot of visible movement, that is completely normal. The muscles are working very subtly. Focus on feeling the activation, look for a sensation of warmth, gentle engagement, or light muscular effort in the cheek area. Hold this position statically for 10 seconds. Now, exhale, place your fingers beneath your cheekbones and use gentle vibrating movements to help the muscles completely relax. Form soft fists with your hands. Gently press your fists not only against your lips, but also across the lower third of your face. In this position, we are going to puff out the cheeks while creating gentle resistance with our hands. Try to direct the air specifically into the lower part of your cheeks, ensuring no air escapes between your lips and your teeth. Puff your cheeks, apply gentle resistance with your hands and then relax. Keep your shoulders, neck and the back of your head completely relaxed. If your arms get tired, you can rest your elbows on a table to take the tension off your neck. Hold the position statically for 10 seconds. To finish, gently massage the area with light vibrating strokes to release any remaining tension. Now shape your fingers into binoculars, rotate them slightly outward and place them firmly around your eyes. Make sure there are no gaps between your fingers and your skin. We need to secure the delicate orbicularis oculi muscle. Gently spread the skin outward, almost like you're opening a camera lens. Now open your eyes wide and then squint. Open wide and squint. Keep holding the skin firmly so no creases or wrinkles form around the eyes. Keep your forehead perfectly smooth. Adjust your finger placement if you see any lines forming. Keep your lips and teeth relaxed and drop your shoulders. You aren't pressing hard, you're just stabilizing the tissue, so only the eye muscle does the work. If your shoulders get tired, feel free to rest your elbows. If you're enjoying this workout, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you never miss a new routine. Place the base of your palms firmly on your temples. Gently pull the skin upwards and slightly back toward the top of your head. Now, slowly open and close your mouth. As you open your mouth, direct your gaze downward. Don't open too wide, 80% is plenty. It is incredibly important that you do not feel any clicks or pain in your jaw joints. If your jaw tends to wobble, use your mind to guide it in a straight, centered line. Keep your head upright, sit tall, and lift through the crown of your head. Using your thumbs and index fingers, gently pinch and roll your eyebrows, starting from the bridge of your nose and moving outward toward your temples. Keep your pressure firm but gentle. Never pull or drag the skin. Use your knuckles to massage your forehead. Moving upward, sweeping strokes from your eyebrows up to your hairline. If it feels a bit sore or tender, that's quite common. Just adjust your pressure. Do not press too hard and make sure the back of your head and neck remain completely relaxed. Now let's wake up the whole face. Go over your entire face from bottom to top using very light, rapid pinches. Try not to pull the skin away from your face. Instead, make tiny, quick plucking motions. Your finger position doesn't matter, just do what feels natural and comfortable. If your skin is highly sensitive or flushes easily, keep these pinches incredibly light and barely perceptible. To bring our practice to a close, let's make slow circular movements with our lips, first in one direction and then in the other. As you rotate, check in with your body. Ensure your neck is completely relaxed and there is absolutely no discomfort or tension in your chewing muscles. Finally, gently pinch all over your lips with your fingers. Thank you so much for taking these 10 minutes for yourself and your face. Let me know in the comments how you feel after the routine and which exercise was your favorite. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and share this video with your loved ones. See you in the next workout. Keep glowing and have a beautiful day.